Insert the pull rod shaft into the handle groove. Insert the silicone cushions into the shaft to securely connect the handle and pull rod. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws from the side of the cabinet. Align the assembled pull rod with the 4 screw holes and secure it using the 4 removed screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Align the pull rod fastener with the screw holes and secure it using the 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Plug in the unit. Press the power button to turn the unit on. The actual temperature inside the cooling compartment will be displayed. The compressor will start running after a short delay, while the run indicator will be green. You can set the temperature by pressing the plus or minus button. The range is from negative for Fahrenheit to 68 Fahrenheit. Each press will change the temperature by 1 Fahrenheit. Long press to change rapidly. Long press the set button to enter mode settings. Note, if no buttons are pressed for about 10 seconds, the mode settings will exit automatically. Press the plus or minus button to select your desired battery monitor settings. The default setting is level H2. At the H3 level, the battery monitor responds faster than at the H1 and H2 levels. While the battery monitor level is flashing, press the set button again. Use the plus or minus button to switch the compressor mode between HH and Echo. It is recommended to use Echo mode for fresh food storage and HH mode for freezing or in high ambient temperatures. While the compressor running mode is flashing, press the Set button again. The temperature unit indicator will start flashing. Use the plus or minus button to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The selected unit in the display window will flash for a few seconds before the display returns to the actual temperature. The settings will be saved automatically. To turn off the unit, press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds.